particular video, I'll be talking about Rubi KYC and the migration which is actually coming in. So we are close to hitting our 4,000 watch hour. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you notify anytime I upload another new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link. It is shown and also in the comment section of this particular video. As you can see now, currently I have over 391 and only 10 active people that are active now currently mining out of the 50, meaning over 40 people are not currently mining out of the referrals that actually refer. And this is one of the biggest reasons why a lot of people will not actually get their KYC invitation, because so for you to get your KYC invitation, the first prerequisite thing that you need to have there is that you need to be very, very active mining on a daily basis. Then you'll be able to get your invitation. And a lot of people in my community member in previous videos that have actually created and which have actually shared have actually gotten their KYC invitation, and they have actually got KYC. They're only waiting for token migration. So let me quickly share with you, for every one of us who has not actually gotten invitation, to share with us the latest information from the Rubi team, what they share on their Telegram. So these are the things which you need to do so that you could be positioned for this particular KYC, because a mass onboarding KYC is coming soon. And if you're able to miss it, I don't know if you're able to get KYC anymore. So this was sent on the 27th. This was set on the 27th of January, and currently now we are in the month of February already. This February, as at the time of doing this particular video, look at what it says. It says daily Ruby invitation. It says activation of daily Ruby invitation is ongoing, starting today, January 27, 2026 to January 31st, 2026. Miners who are yet to be invited for KYC are advised to check their app daily. You can see that particular word, what I was saying, to check it on a daily basis for KYC invitation. Within this period, over 105,000 invitations will be sent out. This is in preparation for KYC 1.6, meaning there are two KYC that will be taking place. The current one that is actually taking place is the KYC 1.5. Then another one is actually coming up, which is the KYC 1.6. So he said this is the preparation for the KYC 1.6 release that will see through much faster verification. Those who are invited are requested to acquire Ruby and immediately complete their verification. In February 1st, 2026, you are yet to get invited for KYC, then you are likely to join the second phase invitation. KYC 1.6 is officially rolled out. That means now, currently now, for those now, this is February 3rd. That means for those who are unable to get their Ruby KYC 1.5 in the month of January, then they're telling us here now that we should get prepared for the second phase before the KYC 1.6 is officially rolled out. Say keep mining, keep your mining activities ongoing. Ruby reward active participation. Can you see? Remember, part of the delay is to ensure that everyone is verified before TG and to give all miners equal opportunity to gather some Ruby. At the end, those who believe and mine Ruby will be happy they did. So this is one thing, one part of what I'll say I will be sharing with you. So we have this month of February for the invitation of the 1.5 KYC, which will be a mass burden of every individual. So for those who have not actually been logging in daily, they must actually miss this particular phase or this will be invitation. Let me show you another thing. So because a lot of people in my community who have actually done their Ruby 1.5 KYC, actually, when is the time for the migration? Look at something here now. This is it now. It says Ruby token migration is live. You can actually tell you, I'll do a lot of more video about it. Say attention Ruby that the token migration process is open. This is your chance to migrate your old tokens to the new Ruby network and secure your position ahead of the upcoming exchange listing. Key highlights: secure and smooth migration follows the official step to transfer your tokens safely. Be ready for listening. Rumors suggest a listening price of around $4, which is quite good. Early action matter: enhanced network benefits, new features, improved speed, and stronger security. How to migrate: access the official Rubi migration portal, connect your wallet and follow the step-by-step guide. Confirm your new token and your wallet. Don't wait, complete your migration to be part of the next Rubi. So although I'm still waiting for my own Rubi KYC 1.5, once I'm able to get invited and I've been KYC, detail more video about this particular migration will be done for my community member. So if the video was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification, subscribe, and we'll upload another video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.